Hi, I'm Louis and you're back on ZKTeco South Africa's YouTube channel. And as always, I'm going to be taking you through another one of our exciting devices. But before we get into all of that, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and that you hit that bell button. I upload content here every week, so make sure that you don't miss out on anything. Today I'm taking you through the MULTIBIO 600 time and attendance device. And if you're an SME, this is a video that you're not going to want to miss. The MULTIBIO 600 is a very versatile time and attendance device with basic access control functions. Now, what makes this device so versatile is the fact that it works on 3 of our softwares. That's BioTime 8, our cloud time and attendance software, ZKTime.net, which is locally hosted, and then also our Access 3.5 software, which is completely free. Now, before we go any further into the functions of this versatile device, let's take a look at what you get when you order your MULTIBIO 600. When you open your box, the first thing that you're going to see is your user manuals and your mounting positioning sticker, but we'll just put that aside for now. Then you'll also see this mounting, and this is a replacement for your backplate, and we're going to take a look at exactly what this does in the next segment. Then you'll see your cabling pack and your MULTIBIO 600 time and attendance device. So when you remove it from the packaging, just make sure you don't miss this admin RFID card. So the MULTIBIO 600 allows you to enroll 800 facial templates, 3,000 fingerprints, and 5,000 cards. It also stores 100,000 transactions on the device. Now, this is important because, as you'll see on the back, it does have ports where you can connect an Ethernet connection. But if you're out of reach of an Ethernet connection, you can also manually extract your transactions using a USB and upload it to your software. Now let's take a look at the replacement backplate that you receive with your MULTIBIO 600. So when you're mounting your MULTIBIO 600, you'll see that you have your standard backplate included. But when you mount it on the replacement backplate, you'll see that your device will be at a 45-degree angle. And this allows for much better and much faster facial recognition. Next, I'm going to show you how to enroll a facial template on your MULTIBIO 600. But before we start with that, there are a few important factors that you need to take into consideration. To begin with, your device needs to be at least 1.5 meters off the ground. And when enrolling, your subject should be about half a meter away from your device. Also, make sure there are no light or shadow interruptions on the face, as this most likely will cause problems when the user needs to verify. And lastly, the face should not be covered. That means no hats and no glasses. Other than that, you're good to go. So let's take a look at how quick this process is. To start enrolling on your MULTIBIO 600 device, you simply press the M/OK button on your device, and your first option will be user management. Press the M/OK button again, select new user, and scroll down until we reach face. Now, when we are enrolling our face on this device, it will give you prompts that you need to follow and positionings that you need to do, so you can just follow along on that, and I'll be starting the timer right now. And it's as easy as that. So once you're done, you just exit the menu and you're ready to verify on your MULTIBIO 600 device. And that's all the time that we have for today's video. But if you have any more questions on the MULTIBIO 600, please leave them in the comments down below. And if you would like to see me talk about any other device, let me know as well. Until the next video guys, make sure you'll subscribe, make sure you share this video, and most importantly, make sure that you hit that bell button so that you don't miss out. See you guys next time.